How to add products on your Google business profile. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can add products on your Google business profile. So to add products is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Google business account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you take it to a page where you can now see options such as list profile, read reviews, messages, add photo, performance, advertise, manage photos, add updates, pick up, edit products. Okay, just go ahead and click on it that way. Now, once you click on edit products, you will take it to a page where you would see products, all right, and then you see get customers to your shop, add products to your business profile, and show what you have in stock. And once you see this, click on get started. Now, once you click on get started, you will take it to a page where you can now properly edit the product. And then the first thing to type out the product name, select the category for the product, product price, a description, a landing page if you have one, and then you can drag the photo of the of the picture here. Or the photo is very essential so that those purchasing the products but can have an idea of the products, can have a picture of the products in their mind. And then you click on publish. And then once you click on publish, the product will be added automatically to your Google business profile. It is that simple. All right. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.